I am buzzing! It's 2 and 3 for my Ferrari boys! And it's the first time that they're together at the top of the step. I hope we can convert it to a win and podium tomorrow! Oh, Lando, 116.1. Yes, Max is only second. Behrman's third. Oh, now Piastri's third. But Charles has purple sector in the first sector. Hamilton, where are you gonna finish, Hamilton? Hamilton! Oh, second! Hamilton is second. Pushes Max to third. Now, where's Charles gonna end up? Charles! Charles is on pole! Provisional pole! 1:15. 991.179 seconds faster than Norris. Oh! George. Oh my God! I hope Charles gets pole. We still have 6 minutes. 6 minutes in the Q3 session. So I think they're gonna park their cars first. Probably some of them change tires, but what a lap from Charles. Oh my God, Lando's fastest in first sector. Oh no. Piastri's third. Piastri's third only. Oh. Lando's on pole. Lando's on pole. 1:15.586. Oh my God, Lando. 4 tenths. 4 tenths faster than. Oh, Hamilton. Hamilton is second. Oh my God, Charles. Come on, Charles. Oh, Charles is only second. Oh my God, Lando's on pole, and then it's 2-3 Ferrari, and then George is fourth. Max is only fifth, and Piastri is only eighth. Sainz is even ahead of Piastri. What's happened? Oh my God, Lando. It's my Ferrari boys. Second and third.